Hello there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. On this video, I'm going to talk about a more specific manner on Topaz. Again, we have two AI for this. It's going to be Topaz Photo AI and Topaz Video AI. On this video, we're going to specifically talk about Topaz Video AI, okay? So what are we going to gather or tackle on this video? Of course, we're going to tackle the metrics or the parameters that you can use to better give your video better quality, what metrics or what are the contents that you need to put in on those metrics, okay? So without further ado, let's just go in right into it, okay? So this should be Topaz Video AI. Again, as you can see, there is a trial mode in the upper right. This means that I am currently on trial mode. This is not the paid version just yet. To unlock all of the features here, you just need to pay monthly. I'm not rightly sure. I think it's around $100 to buy the whole software. Anyway, from here on out, just click on Browse. Let me just open this one. It's a video I got from the internet. Earlier, it's a free video. It's actually 630 by 360, I think. Oh, there you go, 640 by 360 pixels. It's a very low quality video. So I'm gonna use Topaz Video AI to give it a little bit bump, a little bit of more quality than it has right now. Okay. So on the earlier version of Topaz, you need to put exact metrics on your quality video. On this new one, you just need to choose what kind of pixels you want or what kind of upscale. For example, as it is 640 by 360, right? You can either choose two times the current one, so it's going to be 1280 by 720, or put it in four times, or just a little bit of fun, put on 8K, the highest resolution available right now in the internet. I think there isn't a 16K yet. Correct me if I'm wrong, but on my knowledge, it's 8K is the highest one. Okay. So from here now, you can just choose 8K, and then of course FPS shouldn't be left behind. Here and now, just click on upscale to 4K again, and or upscale to 4K and convert to 60 FPS. As you can see here, they're currently just like a pre-template. There are templates on what kind of video output you're gonna have. Not like on the earlier version of this one, you need to choose how many metrics, how many add noise, how many blur you want to put. For example, you're just editing your photo on Instagram, right? You need to put in the sharpness, the brightness, the dim. On this new Topaz, you just need to choose what kind of output you want. 8K, 4K, FHD, HD, and so on and so forth. From here now, of course, click on stabilization right there. Of course, choose on full frame. I suggest here, don't go 50. Since we want it to be stabilized as much as possible, go for 100 right here. Okay? Reduce jitter motion right there. Number of passes, of course, put on 5. Please pause the video if you want to copy this metrics. From here now, I suggest go on motion deblur again. From here now, just choose on Topaz. I think for the paid version, there is more into this, but Topaz is good enough for now. Moving on, don't cheese anything here, especially this is a slow motion feature, okay? Now here's what I want to point out. Enhancement, please make sure this is on progressive, and this one should be on Artemis right here. Make sure this is on Artemis, okay? Once you choose Artemis, it will be given a little bit of light, but if you want that dark quality video, not exactly bad, but you know, the Batman type of video, something like that, choose Proteus. So Proteus is the dark one, Artemis is the light one. So let's just stick with Proteus since I mentioned Batman. Who doesn't like Batman, right? So parameters, you can click on manual right here. Now I'm gonna put on my notepad. So these are the notepads that I have. You can post a video if you want. So Proteus or Proteus, please correct if I'm wrong, it should be fine-tuned. Revert compression should be on 100. Recovery detail should be on 40. Here you go. Sharpen, of course, 70. And the halo, please correct me if I'm wrong again, should only be on 5. The blur should only be, or should be on 100. Now, add noise and reduce noise up to you if there is background noise on the video. Here and now, you can click on grain right here or not, especially if you're taking a video outdoors. Again, this should be MP4 because most of our videos right now are MP4, right? Profile is high, Bitrate is gonna be auto because it doesn't mean that you choose 180, we're gonna have a high quality video. So just to be safe, bitrate or bitrate should be on auto. Okay? So this should be the frame, this should be the metrics. If you want a different style, I have a photo right here that I can show you guys that I just screenshot earlier. Here you go. So this is the one I use right now, the first one. You have two more choices. You can just post a video and copy this metrics, okay? You can try it out, trial and error, choose whatever or whichever do you prefer most. So from here now, just click on export right here, or you can export as if you want to change the file. I'm not actually gonna export since I chose 8K. It will take around 30 minutes to an hour, and we don't want to waste our wait that long, okay? Anyway, that's the thing. That's the only thing missing. Just export it, and you're good to go. So that's the best metrics for Topaz Video AI to fully enhance or optimize your video. Anyway, thank you for watching, and please hit the like button and subscribe. Have a safe one, guys.